I want to talk about pitfalls. I see these on a near daily basis, and these are things to be aware of. This is the wild, wild west of insurance right now, and so these pitfalls are you need to be keenly aware of them. This is not a standardized form of insurance. Every carrier has their own application. It's not on standard ISO-based forms like general liability policies or property policies. Every carrier writes their own form. Carriers are nearly coming out with new innovative offerings on a monthly basis. Be cautious about premium indication requests. So we see a lot of folks say, well, I could get that for $100,000. Well, you haven't actually gone through a full underwriting process, and so just be a very educated buyer on the actual part of the underwriting process. Carriers have different appetites. It's a somewhat limited marketplace. If there's thousands of carriers to provide, say, property insurance, there may only be 150, 200 carriers currently in the cyber liability market. Claims handling is critical. There are carriers that are so, they've gone through so many data breaches that they execute nearly flawlessly on their process of helping insureds respond to data breaches. So understanding what that carrier does to respond to claims and handle those claims is important. Limit recommendations. And then I'll just hit on the last two here, broker knowledge and carrier knowledge. If a broker understands the anatomy of a breach and they understand the insurance and the insurance marketplace, you can place a very robust policy that's going to respond in nearly every instance that a data breach could impact your business. There is a very wide array of broker knowledge and carrier knowledge in the marketplace right now. You have a lot of carriers that have put underwriters that are legacy directors and officers underwriters, that are legacy professional liability underwriters that don't understand the anatomy of a breach, and therefore they sometimes place inferior product, not at their own fault, not intentionally, but it's a very evolving marketplace, both on cybersecurity but also in the insurance world. So just vetting those folks is a key part of your renewal conversation as you go to renew these policies.